Hello beautiful people of the internet, my name is Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing my Boxycharm. Now if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription box where you get 5 full-sized items. I will have all of the pricing info and a link to sign up down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now I have not opened my box this month. It just came today. I did slice this part open so I could just easily open it. Hello, Chama. Now if you're interested in the current look that I have on my face, watch out for my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette review coming up in just a few days. I'm gonna do 3 different looks with the palette, so stay tuned. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Now let's get into it. So each box comes with a card like this. It gives you the theme of the month, which is Caribbean Queen. And I'm not going to look at it because it also tells me everything that's in the box. So first up, we have a brush set from Luxie. It looks like a foundation, a powder, and a tapered highlight brush. We have gotten some Luxie brushes before. I think they were travel brushes, actually, like travel eyeshadow brushes. Let's see, I want to get into this, but how do I get into it? I have to get scissors. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with my scissors. Side note, these Amazon basic scissors are awesome. We just ordered a whole set. Okay, let's open this. These are the brushes. They feel super soft. I'm very interested to see how they actually pick up powder. So let's try out this tapered highlighter brush because I'm just interested to see how this picks up. This is the Milani Strobe Light Afterglow in 1. I love this stuff, it's great. I mean, I am already glowing, but this is definitely making me glow even more. Can I please just be as glowy as possible? Yeah, I can. Cool. So these seem to be pretty good. I'll definitely be trying them out. Okay, next up in the box. Yes! This is the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, I believe it is pronounced. It is a fast absorbing body cream that helps tighten and smooth like no other. So we will see if that is true. I'm gonna open it up real quick. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Whoa, it smells. This definitely has a scent. It smells good though. Ooh, I do like how this feels. I wonder, I'm gonna see how long this scent stays on because it is very strong. It smells nice, kind of tropical-esque. Cool, let's see what's next. We have Baddington lashes in this cute little box. Ooh, cute. They look like the, I think like 105s from Ardell, but this is a cool box. I'm definitely going to keep this box after I use these lashes because I can put it at my dressing station when I go to work. P.S. I'm an actor, so this will be great for my dressing room. And then next up we have an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Verona, or Verona. It's a place in Italy. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. This is awesome. And I do like this formula. Okay, next up we have a Jante Blue eyeliner pencil in charcoal. So is this gray? It's like a dark gray eyeliner. I think we got one of their lip liners in this box a few months ago, and I really like the lip liner, so I'm excited to try out this charcoal. And then last but certainly not least, we have this palette. It is Alamar Cosmetics, and let's open it up and see what it, oh my gosh. This is stunning. I'm so happy it's summer when I open this palette. Summer! This is awesome. It is Alamar Cosmetics, oh, I'm gonna butcher this, Reina del Caribe or Caribe. I don't know. I don't speak Spanish, unfortunately. Let's swatch some of these a little bit, shall we? Let's do the Celia, which is this beautiful green metallic shade. Oh, like butter. Let's do Tropico. We're doing this shade, Tropico. That swatched pretty nicely too. Let's do, I don't know, El Malecon. Whoa, gold. These three colors would be beautiful together. Yes. So I'm very excited to try this out. So this month we got 5 full items, which were the eyeshadow palette that retails for $28, the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, also $28, the Boom Boom Cream, which is $10, this is a sample size, the Luxie Brushes 3-piece Flawless Complexion is $42, the Jante Blue Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil is $5, and the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick is $21. That's amazing. I love this box. So please stay tuned next month for my Boxycharm. I also subscribe to Sephora Play and FabFitFun, so I will also be unboxing both of those boxes on my channel. Oh, and I think I have a Stitch Fix coming up too. I love me some subscriptions, guys. I do. I really do. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my Boxycharm. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.